So here I show you how to use our Panda remote control to control our candle and lights. I use C channel to control it. Okay, I long press C channel. Please help turn on the light now. Okay, you can see it's changed from warm white to cold white, means successful connections. And press C, it will turn off. Press C again, turn on, turn off, turn on. And this is moonlight mode. I press it, it will be changed to moonlight mode for sleeping. And here's the rotating button. You can change. You can fastly change to cold white, warm white, and day white. It's very convenient. And here the lamp up and down brightness to dim the brightness. The down means to dim lower brightness. Press it and the lower brightness, and the upper is up button is for brighter, for more brightness. The left button for more warm white, and the right button for more cold white. All the operations are at the same time. You can see. I press one button and our bubble will react fastly according to my orders here. And this is all on button, this is all off button. All off button. I press it and it will be turned off, and press on. Press this all on button, it will be turned on. Okay, if you still have any questions, please just freely email me or send me a message. Thank you for watching.